Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, so happy to have you back. In today's tutorial, we'll be working with ISEE hair. They went ahead and sent me this 9x6 wear and go lace closure wig unit, and if you know anything about these wear and go units, they usually have the M cap structure, which allows for your ears to breathe freely whilst wearing this unit, so you can also tuck it behind your ear and it give off some sort of natural vibe, which I'm absolutely loving. This unit actually came in 26 inches and water wave is the curl pattern. I love it so much, and I feel as though with the products I use today, it's really defined and it's also really easy to style, super quick and easy to install for the winter time. You no longer have to do any straightening, any curling. All you have to do is just rake your hands through this hair with a few little products such as mousse and curl cream, and you are basically out the door. It air dries beautifully, and if you want to go ahead and diffuse it for a quicker dry, you could also do that. This hair actually straightens pretty well and holds a curl well, so it's very versatile. And don't forget to go ahead and check it out in the links in my description box below. And without further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay, you guys, so now I'm finished, and this gorgeous unit is from ISEE Hair. They went ahead and sent me this super sleek and super easy to install M-cap unit. This wig unit is actually a 9x6 closure unit, and on the air tabs we have a nice little C shape on both sides, which usually makes an M. And in this case, we are able to wear our closure units a little bit more cleaner, so now we can manage to do the hair behind the ear without having that harsh thick band right there that we don't love but we all know, and that just cancels out everything that we've been struggling with the closure units for such a long time. The knots on this gorgeous unit is super tiny, so it gives more of a realistic and seamless finish blend with the scalp and the hairline. I'm loving how pre-plucked, pre-parted, and pre-bleached this unit came. It was just a breeze to install overall, and honestly it is a 10 out of 10. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check those links out in my description box if you would like to purchase this unit from ISEE Hair. I'm living for the texture. Actually, it is a water wave in 26 inches, so it's pretty lengthy, but as you can tell, with any curly hair it will shrink due to the curl pattern, but if it's stretched out, it's true to length. The density on this hair is really nice and natural, so it's perfect for vacations. You won't have that hot, heavy feeling of a lot of hair on your head, and I love that for me. So something cute, simple, and straight to the point, very natural looking, and I'm loving it. So if you'd like to shop this wig from ISEE Hair, definitely check the links out in the description box, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.